Welcome back to the BTBTS studios.
Live from the coast.
You already know.
Today we have a very special guest.
Sara Bloom.
Sara Bloom.
Sara Bloom, yeah, now. Hello, it's Sara Bloom.
Yeah.
And we're just chilling in our room. It's not Skype, it's not Zoom.
Exactly. BTBTS studios. Oh, where is it?
It's not shit. All the girls go something like this.
On my face when
Alright,
I'm
this
so
is-
pasted. Try not get into my face cause I'm so pasted. And that's the way it goes. Sara Bloom and her crew, that's the vibe. Do you know every nigga in charge? Had to have a eviction plan on the rise. Can't have my energy compromised. Your energy never lie. I'm happy with my clip by my side. Coming through Sara Bloom flames on the low. You know I don't play with the flow. Yeah.
What? What them say? Any word in the streets?
Yeah, man, when I go to the streets,
Good words?
remember.
Yeah. That's how
I'm
the streets
mostly
go.
good at streets.
Oh, we accept.
Have questions asking. Only for questions asking.
Well, as long as we're not getting none trouble.
No. See, love is all I do, you know. So, if somebody finds trouble with me, it's troubling them.
True. So strong word.
That's all going for Bob Marley.
One year cook fresh food. Year cook fresh.
Look like Fresh Prince.
Well, not that fresh, but
Oh,
it look like
and some plats for dropping
Looks
it
like-
still. I get a nice young lady drop some twists in it for me.
Oh yeah?
You know me? Somebody daughter.
Well, if someone's a young lady, it would be assumed that it's someone's daughter. When we get what I try to say, I get it.
You see why you there behind the camera? Wavy.
Damn, son. You'll catch Diane there, you have a shaky warrior. Down the escape, the indica slap you a while ago.
Yes, sir. You not slap me.
It's good.
There's a bit of it. It's nice.
Yeah.
When you see me, you gonna see me and say, who? But you know what's Sara Bloom, and just take it into the room to just forget about it. Keep it deep on when I'm rising up. I know me. Going up, you know I go down. Let me know, holding on until I reach the top. Going up, you know I go down. Let me know, holding on until I reach the top. I will get everybody, and it does too. They're probably, you know, zooming to the moon. Every 45 minutes, they hope we shoot it soon. Probably tell me to shut on the way.
Yo!
Going up. You know what it goes up. Let me know. Hold on until I reach the top. Yeah.
Let's see which one. Let's see which one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a vibe.
You're up on the mic.
Not my job. No, just to confirm, not now play with your headphone, eh?
No, but is your camera recording?
It is. Mm-hmm.
It's a good thing that you can add sounds to the
Oh,
afterwards.
but then if I don't add it, then it's funnier.
Everyone hold your applause. Hold your applause. I have returned. Okay, you're really there. And I get some far shot with an excellent since you fixed the thing.
Good one.
I'm gonna stand now.
Why? This have the better focus. Do it better.
You better focus, man, looking better, because right now you're not really cut it. Yo, that's rude. Man never mean it. Man never mean
That's
it.
a lot of words to say something
Sorry,
simple,
say.
my guy. You could have been straightforward. Wow.
Man never mean it to
That's
say. You know,
it.
you never exactly mean it. You know, but that's.
You just say some
But that's
fruit.
say. Could I take like an effort? Just a little effort.
Good job, good job, good job. They see I smile, but they don't know what I feel inside. No. Only you know.
Who named Hugh?
You, only you know.
Who named Hugh though? That's the problem.
But I'm
Oh, Hugh go from
yeah.
Kim Impossible. Kim
No.
Impossible. Kim Possible. Sorry.
You're faster than the rest of them in the youth.
You right and I'm feel great. Because Frosted Flakes and then not even get it.
That was wow. That's disappointing, to be honest.
That you only put it.
Yes.
I'm sorry. I feel like
You could have tried that
are we
one.
a trip?
Yeah, we're not sure.
No, we're not a trip. We are a trip. Like it's an expression for
What?
saying that we're
But they spend too much time on fine, man. I don't wanna understand if I come back.
one life.
Call me thugs.
Brother,
Call
I never
me
touch a plane yet, dog. A country I go anytime and then I see me around the place, brother.
Brother, you go Dubai.
Yeah, I go to the supermarket, brother. Yeah, I misunderstand. I go to the supermarket to buy
What?
some things from
Where's mine? I got to buy. I got to buy some bread. I got to buy.
That's racist. I gotta buy.
I got to buy some bread. Stupid.
Listen, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry, boy. Sarah.
Okay.
So I have to put up Sara. Sara. So
Sarah.
really.
They're instant in brain. Fool me once with your eyes now on me. Yes. Can't really hear myself through the mic.
No, I'm not arm it yet.
Oh.
It's just a leg right now.
Oh,
Wait, I
it's just
Don't,
a leg.
hey, you did the singing when you did.
It's
I mean,
not even.
don't focus on what you might do over this and all what you must say.
It's not even one.
Ah!
Lambert feeties. Thank you for the feeds. For all the people out there with a foot fetish, it's up for you, yeah. Them
This
is-
brother crazy.
Yeah? All the people with the foot fetish, can we get a heel click?
No, she might go home. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Yeah, clown.
Alright, ready. Them tryna catch my vibe. Them tryna steal my style. Them tryna see my drip. Them tryna see my smile. I'm just trying to focus. And I'm not time for locus. All this hocus pocus have me doing the most, but I'm just on the go. I'm just about to blow up. If you didn't know, then you really need to know now. And I'm on my way, cause I got another show. So maybe you should show up and see how I can go.
Me chop the cheese got no seeds, that's how I'ma feel. That's how I'ma feel nice. So boss about the light, I all the jeans. I've been here since 96.
This is about Sara Bloom today.
It's a new age thing when Spotify come out. People literally have maybe a million songs. You can just search for 1 minute play. Like, it's not like you have to buy a CD no more. So genre's kind of out of the window. But for you, you have any specific genre where that you want to master first, let's say. So sure, you can write for everything, but maybe something there where you want to focus on that and get the
I
craft
really
done the way
would
there.
like to focus on R&B hip hop, like
Yeah.
that kind of genre that's just chill. Wow, like Jenny Aiko. Yeah, them kind of vibes, you know. Rihanna, 1 and 2, mixture, you know. Just imagine a fusion of Jenny Aiko. I listen to her like a lot. So I listen to Alina Baraz. And Alina, I love.
Galimantis and everything.
Yeah, Galimantias.
Oh, sorry. Shut up.
Yeah, but I I would love to write songs like Alina Baraz, and get the instrumentals that are electric and makes you want to dance.
And everything there.
Yeah, music that make people want to dance or feel good, just in general. Right? If there comes a time I need to write about something that's deep or some more people just need moments about probably but mostly I write about love and just having a good time and vibing.
Come natural.
Yeah, naturally.
Just things we're doing every day, life generally. Nobody understand what you see me mean.
Exactly. I always say I'm like a tree. A tree.
Like a big tree or a different type of tree?
Like a big tree that's strong and last. But yeah, I know I can't just leave it as like a tree. That's like what kind of tree? Somebody asked me what kind of bird you like, what kind of flowers you like. I'm like, I thought of that. I just know like birds and flowers. And no, not really.
Oh, more like A's and anything.
Yes. Yes.
Dope.
More like this.
Okay, I'm sorry to interrupt, but Sara Bloom, everyone. Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Sara Bloom, you're really dope.
Thank you.
From me and all the fans out there. Really, thank you for coming to the BTBTS studios.
I really appreciate it. I'm honored to be here to share this time and space with you guys. This fair.
Thank you. We appreciate you taking the time out to be here.
The pleasure is mine. It is yours.